Is your Chromecast showing a weird blue or green tint on your screen? Let's fix that in just a few easy steps and bring your colors back to normal. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are solving a frustrating visual issue, Chromecast showing a blue or green tint on your TV. Method 1. Change resolution. When you are seeing color tints on Chromecast, ensure the TV or monitor's resolution matches Chromecast's output. Here is how to do so. On your TV, go to Settings, select Display and Sound, then select Resolution. Then try a lower resolution and check if the video is playing now. You can also restart the Chromecast device and check if that helps to fix the issue. Method 2. Clear cache on Chromecast. If you are experiencing color tints on a specific channel or app, then clear the app cache. Here is how to do so. Navigate to Chromecast Settings, then All Settings, select Apps, then See All Apps. Select the app that's showing issues. Here we are showing the method with this app. The steps are the same for all the apps. Choose Force Stop. Next, select Clear Cache. Make sure not to choose Clear Data as this will sign you out of your account. After clearing the app cache, select Open and check. Method 3. Check the Wi-Fi signal strength. Sometimes you may experience color tints on Chromecast due to connectivity issues. So move your Chromecast closer to your router as this can improve the signal strength and resolve connectivity issues. You can check the status of the internet connection from Settings. For that, from the home screen, navigate to Settings, then select All Settings. Go to the Network and Internet section. Check if the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on and the device is connected to a stable network. You can change the network service and check if that works. You can also contact your service provider if necessary. Method 4. Check HDMI and USB ports and power source. The next thing you can do is check the HDMI and USB ports and the power source. You can unplug the Chromecast and try a different HDMI port if available on your TV or monitor. If Chromecast is powered by your TV or monitor's USB port, try using a wall outlet with a USB power adapter and vice versa. This should ensure that Chromecast receives full power. Method 5. Update Chromecast firmware. The next thing you can do is check if your Chromecast is running the latest firmware settings. For that, navigate to Settings from the home screen. Select All Settings, scroll down and select System. Then select About and select System Update. If there is any update available, download and install the update. Method 6. Factory Reset Chromecast. If all else fails, a factory reset clears all data, settings and apps, giving you a clean slate. This often resolves persistent or untraceable issues. Go to Settings, then System, then About, then Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts. Alternatively, locate the small physical reset button on the Chromecast device. Press and hold the button, the white light will start blinking. Continue holding the button until the light turns amber and starts blinking rapidly. When the light turns solid white, release the button. The Chromecast will begin the factory reset process, which may take about a minute. This will erase all data and settings on your device. You will need to set it up again from scratch. And there you go. Your Chromecast display should now be color correct and crystal clear. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Still having issues or found a different solution, let us know in the comments. We would love to help. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.